Hey all, today we're going to be taking a look at this mystery site you probably haven't heard about, which has all that you need pretty much to learn the basics of multiple different IT skills: cybersecurity, data analytics, programming, DevOps, cloud engineering, and whatever else. Let's take a look what we're talking about so you can get into tech. University of Helsinki offers these high quality and open courses for everyone. So in this platform, you can learn a lot with just single out courses or study modules. And for this video, we are interested on the study modules, so let's not concentrate on the courses that much, even though these courses are usually part of some of the study modules. But let's concentrate on this because you are probably looking forward to learning about a larger scale of things. Study modules, they have artificial intelligence and data, cloud-based web applications, programming, and cybersecurity base. So these have, when you scroll down, you'll just find artificial intelligence and data. So you see what they have here: data analytics with Python, AI in society, AI in democracy, building AI, elements of AI, and so on. The cloud-based web application module, test-driven, DevOps, full stack open. We'll take a look at this. If you want to learn about more, there's going to be a thing where you can click and go to that video or at the end. DevOps with Kubernetes and basic programming. So there's Python, there's test-driven development with Spring, so Java. They also have Finnish, there's Haskell, and advanced programming. That's also Python this time. Cybersecurity base, you have security software, introduction to cybersecurity, and then you have project 1 and 2, and advanced topics. So these courses are all free to take. So let's see if we take a look at, like, for instance, programming. If you're interested in programming, I'm going to be making a video that goes deeper into these modules, but let's see how we would do this. So we would start with the introduction to programming, and you'll just have to log in or create a new account. We're going to be going through these more in the future, but I'll just show you what this is all about. So here they have what is up with the course, how they work with it, and how long it's running. And there's always a new course coming up after. So if you miss this course and don't get it through before the deadline, which is the end of the year, 2024, there's going to be a new one for 2025. But then you have to start over, but you can copy paste the old ones. So it's kind of like you're not going to lose anything, but it's going to be just a little bit annoying to go through them. So how this works is they have videos, and this is like the how you start. And they have these, we're going to look into this later. They have these exercises where you have to code, and you're going to go through these things, and there's going to be the videos that you're going to be learning from. When you log in, you're going to find the course videos, and the first 3 parts in this course are just basic Python stuff that you're going to be doing on this platform, and you're going to be inputting stuff and code into this platform, and it's going to run tests that you have done it correctly. At part 4, you're going to be downloading Visual Studio Code, and then you're going to be cloning your code from GitHub. So you're basically going to learn the very greatest of the basic of Python in this. And then if you go through this entire thing, you can then start with the advanced course and go through that too. And you can see there's all these exercises in these courses. So you can very well take a look at what they have for the exercises, even without logging in or creating a new account. So you can go and check these things out. and make sure you want to do it before you sign up. It's a free platform, so it doesn't really matter. But if you're just worried that you're going to be wasting your time. So let's look other courses here. Okay, let's go for maybe like data analytics with Python. So what you will learn about this course, blah blah blah. Basically, you should be doing the Python first if you haven't done it. But you're gonna be learning the basics of Python here too, and it's just a thing you have to go through and start doing. So all these exercises are here. You can check them out. You can even give feedback and just continue through all these chapters and learn the entire curriculum. And then if you are from Finland or a student of University of Helsinki, you will get credited. Let's check out something else. And if you're interested, I'm more than happy to show these because I can get access to these very easily. So let's see, what should we look into? Let's see, cybersecurity. Introduction to cybersecurity. So same thing, and there's going to be the course and all the exercises and whatnot. So yeah, let's dive deeper in this in the future. If you're interested, leave a like and a comment in the description, and I'll be doing more. And you can find all the links down in the description. Let's continue from here. Hope you're enjoying this thing and getting into tech.